The Maverick is going to stir up a little ants nest this evening. The Jamaican government has funded the recent building of some 5 statues for 5 of Jamaica's track and field athletes: Usain Bolt, Shelley Fraser Price, Veronica Campbell-Brown, and Asafa Powell. But question, why is it that only track athletes getting statues? What happened to the other achievers and performers from the other sports? What happened to Mike McCollum in boxing and Courtney Walsh in cricket? Is Asafa Powell more worthy and deserving of a statue than the visionary administrator and leader, the late Captain Horace Morel, the man who reshaped Jamaica's football and piloted the first qualification of 4 different national teams to the World Cup? And what about star player turned national coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore, who was instrumental as the creative genius and joint leading scorer in the historic 1998 qualifying run? Whitmore then went to the World Cup itself and scored twice in that victory over Japan. He's now the national senior coach who got the team into the FIFA top 50. He was the first coach to beat the USA and beat Mexico. He won the Caribbean Cup, took us to a Gold Cup final and semi-final. Why is Asafa Powell more deserving of a statue than Theodore Tapper Whitmore? I'm